there's something that we have in the Mastermind report, you know, that I think trading crypto, BST. Right. This the top crypto assets, right? This bear column. This is something that Nick he looks into when he's doing the Mastermind report for the month. And we'll start seeing things in bear and recovery, and we start seeing how they look. So you see recovery, Abe, right? Actually, this is the right one. This is the wrong one. My bad. Yeah, I'm looking like this something not right. I'm looking at the wrong month, but I just wanted to pull this up real quick. All right, so they'll have one that comes out in 2 more days, right? And it starts showing you, you know, Abe is here again, but you know, the Abe, and then all these here, dot, there's a lot that can be on the watch list. And we go through this list when we create a report to let you, you know, to see that bear into recovery into a strong month, right? So you had the real asking about Gala earlier this morning, right? These are all starting to get ready to recover. You have Clayton, Clay, right? So if I just put these in, that's in the recovery, and we say that, hey, these are the ones that are starting to get targeted, you'll start seeing that they're getting targeted because remember in the report it says depressed stocks, right? It's starting to get bought. Best time to buy depressed stocks and cryptos, altcoins is this week. So even just going through this list, right? You can pick a couple and focus on it, right? You know, for me to go through this whole entire list, like I'm not going to play all of these. And that's why we share inside the Mastermind, because there's enough plays for everybody. Even if we did different plays, there's still a lot of plays. So you'll see like Clayton, Gala, I see Theta is moving, you know, Avalanche early in the week, it had, you know, momentum from 14 to 16. You're going to start seeing these move, and this is a week to start putting them in your watch list. So like when I go to my trading view, I got a watch list for certain days, right? This is what I like to trade in Thinkorswim on Mondays, right? Then I have a Tuesday, I have a Wednesday, you know, or I have my master list of things I like to look at. And so you'll see like today, this Yang, which is China, you know, it went from 27 to 38, you know, and that's huge in the stock market, right? That is a huge move. This is a bear, right? China bear, right? And so this way it keeps me, I track, right? Emerging markets, the rest of the world, you know, when bear, you know, our financial markets on the bull side starts moving up. So banking, it starts moving in November, December, right? And so just understanding that you have a watch list, you know, to start seeing things move. You know, I look at the Nifty 50, which is India. It actually starts moving when we start moving as well. So, you know, on the crypto side, right, this just started to reset, but IBA has been moving. And today at 5 o'clock, you'll see all these numbers down. And that's just because it reset. But overall, today was, you know, super bullish for the things that were trending. All right. And you see how I use these high and low. So it gives me a view of the market, and I'm just zoomed in. Right. A lot of you guys look at it like this, right? Which, you know, that shows you on the alligator where you're at. Right. But then when I'm looking at it, you know, to analyze it, I'll zoom in on it so I can kind of see the progression. Right. All right. Cool. Man, so hey, if I can ask Mo had posted, he was asking about the Polygon and the NFT. You know, I want to know more about the NFTs, and I want to kind of share some spotlight I'm gonna have to get, there is a lot of money that has been overlooked in the NFT space right now because it's starting to come back. And Shahab and Mo have been like digging deep into it, into certain projects, keeping the guys safe. I've probably made 4 or 5 ETH off of taking some of the plays and not even focused on it, right? I like to focus on this biome, but they've been doing a hell of a job researching. So, I think our NFT group is underrated because, there's not too many people talking about NFTs and disappear, and our guys are still in the market. So that's how, things like, crypto punks and Bored Apes, are found. They're found during these times of hot projects and people overlook them. So, it is, I'm not saying go all in and buy things. I'm saying that just keep your eyes on in the chat and see what's being posted. Hey, Mo, you got a minute to, I seen one of the posts you made. I wanted to ask you about it. I think it was a Reddit and Polygon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, I didn't know anything about it. When I saw that it was on the Polygon, I actually found out about it surfing on Twitter, looking for NFT projects, and I was actually quite shocked. So basically, in a nutshell, Reddit basically was offering these NFTs, and they basically onboarded like 3 million plus wallets. They gave out, I believe, maybe, I'm not for sure. All I know is 40,000 NFTs were sold. There were several airdrops. It was on the Polygon blockchain, and I've seen some of the free NFTs that they gave away that they helped. And these were like 3 new people that have no knowledge about NFTs that they onboarded, and so basically, some of the NFTs that I saw were selling for like at least an ETH, and there were some that sold for over 5 ETH, all the way up close to 7 ETH. But all I know is that they did a great job with onboarding that many people, and I'm still digging into it because I just found out about it like over the weekend, and that's why I went ahead and shared the tweet that I found on Twitter that goes into explanation about the Reddit and NFT. So I went ahead and also put it on my Google alerts.
All right.
So I'm still digging into it. I know Brother Shahab, I had posted this tweet like 8:18 this morning, and then Brother Shahab posted an actual thread with another Twitter poster that gave a little bit more information in regards to the Reddit NFTs. So there's money being made out there with NFTs, and this is something I totally didn't see coming.
Yeah, so Reddit is one of the biggest NFT or the crypto communities, and so for Reddit to have it, I've been collecting Reddit coins for a long time, and quietly collecting them. I got like 39,000 coins, which is not that many, but now I'm trying to figure out, all right, how do I get the NFT? All right, because I think the Reddit, for it to be its first one, I think it's going to be I think it's going to be popular. You see these guys, there's so many posts about it. So I haven't looked into it either, but knowing that it's Reddit and a lot of crypto guys are on Reddit, they're going to drive the price up just by itself.